So welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, hello, hello. Can you put it over here so I get more of an angle? You're okay. You're okay. You're fine. All right, everybody have a seat. We're going to stretch. So before you work out, you should always stretch and be mobile. If you're hurting or have pain anywhere, this is a good way to work it out. If someone says, what can I do as far as a stretch for back pain, hip pain, knee pain, life pain, this is a stretch that I suggest you do. We'll start seated, and we're going to work on our hips. And then we'll work on pulling our shoulders out of our neck. And then we're going to work with a PVC pipe or a broom handle or a mop handle or a stick. Just go break a stick off a tree or something. You can use whatever you get creative, okay? So everybody just grab your right leg, please, and pull it to your chest. All right. And we just count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now take that leg and cross it over. Very good. And gently just push your knee down. Don't cause any knee pain, but you want to feel this go. Oh, that's a good stretch, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now, you're going to take this knee, you're going to hug it to this shoulder, but try to keep your body straight. So just bring this knee up and hug it just like this. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Now, bring that knee down, bend forward, look for that $100 bill by your left foot. There it is, down there, as far as you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Bring that right leg down. Now take your left leg, pull it up to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Cross that leg over. Bring it a little push out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Bring that knee up. Let's give it a hug. Oh, yeah. Especially if you feel like that pain pulling through here, you need to do this, okay? This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you could be laying in bed in the morning and do these exercises too, or seated, or whatever you want. Okay, good. Bring your knee down. Bend forward. Look at that heel, right heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. Bring your legs down. Shake it out. Now, take your head to the left. Grab the chair. Just slowly pull your shoulder out. 1, 2. Away from your neck. Not out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Take your head to the right. Grab the chair and just separate that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Give yourself some twists like you're doing your wobble exercises. Good. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Everybody stand up. Put your right foot on top of your chair. We're going to stretch the groin and the hips and the legs. So for some of you, if you put your hand on the chair and support yourself, this can be your stretch just like this, right? You can stretch it out like this, really good. Or some of you who are more flexible can put your right hand on your right foot and be flexible like this, okay? Or some of you can take your right elbow and touch your inside ankle and be stretching like this and then hold that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now push back and straighten your leg out. And kind of sit into that hamstring here in the bottom part of your bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Take that elbow down or hand over again. Bend the knee in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Straighten that leg out again. Feel that in the back of the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Put that elbow in again or your hand in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Straighten that leg out. Just sit into that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Put that elbow in there. Just hold it there. Or the hand, or do your best. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Straighten the leg out. Now sit into that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Bring that leg down. All right. Nice and warm. Well, we might as well do the other one. Okay. Bring your foot up there. This is slippery. Good. Bring that leg back. Okay. Elbow in or hand, however you want to do yours. Whatever you can do. There's no wrong answer here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straighten that leg out. Good. Bring it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Put that elbow in. Yes, I'm aware I'm counting to 10 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Straighten that leg out. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. One more time. Bend that elbow in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring that leg out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, everybody grab your PVC pipe, broom handle, mop handle, small child, small animal. Okay, we're going to do what's called 10 pass-throughs. Okay, real great for shoulders and for frozen shoulder, and if you hear any popping and a cracking, that's okay. So just put it behind your back and back forward 10 times. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. 6, good. 7, good. 8, good. 9, good. 10. Okay, now we're going to do what's called a paddle. We're going to take your right hand around, your left hand around your head, and that's 1. Now the other way. Good. 2. Now the other way. Good. 3. Now the other way. 4. Now the other way. 5. Now the other way. 6. Now the other way. 7. Now the other way. 8. Now the other way. 9. Now the other way. 10. Okay? Whatever this is on your back, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, bring your feet together, legs straight, but your knees soft, and just bend forward like that little bird. 1, come back up. Good. 2, do 10 times. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. We need to help them. Okay. 6, good. 7, good. 8, awesome. 9, good. 10, good. Okay, now, here comes the fun one. Just go and get all warmed up, and we'll get to you when we're done, okay? So we're going to go around the circle, around the world. So you're going to go, well, here's what it looks like. Around like that, okay? So let's go 5 to the right and 5 to the left. 2. And if you don't have a stick at home, just use your hands. 3, good. 4, good. 5, awesome. Go the other way. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. Okay, very good. Now, put your stick above your head. Now let's do 5 easy squats, nice and slow. 1, good. 2, good. 3, good. 4, good. 5, good. Okay, now we're nice and straight. Now we'll do one more. If you guys want to just run around, play, do your thing, go for it, okay? It's good. All right, ready? Arms out. Hands to the right, hips to the left. Oh, yeah, good stretch. Good. Hands to the left, hips to the right. Good. Hands to the right, hips to the left. Good. Hands to the left, hips to the right. Good. One more time. Hands to the right, hips to the left. Good. And hands to the left, hips to the right. Awesome. Okay. So here's what we're going to do today. Okay? We're going to take our band. Okay? We're going to step on it. And from right here, we're going to do curls. Just like this. Okay? Alright? Then we're going to drop it. And we're going to do squats. Okay? Then we're going to step back on it, and we're going to do presses. And then we're going to drop it and do knee-ups. Okay? 30 seconds each one. Adjust as you need to and go. But we'll have fun and we'll make it a good time. Any questions for me? If this is your first time, we're going to go 30 seconds of each exercise and a 1-minute rest. This is going to help your body burn fat, build muscle, give you a brand new body in 30 days or less. What was I going to say? Your body will burn fat and build muscle up to 48 hours after this workout. Your hormones will be happy. Your weight will you'll notice a difference. You'll have less sugar cravings. Your life will begin to take off, and you'll get a new body in 30 days or less. Cool stuff? Just got to do it, though. All right? So let me get the music ready, and we'll be good to go. All right. Yeah, if you guys want to just play or run around, if it's okay, you can, just no hairspray. Yeah. Dr. Joe's real funny, isn't he? Ha, ha, ha. Okay. Very good. Oh, that hurt, shutting that off. That really hurt.
You got a better workout with that one.
I know. But Edna needs to get a groove on, so. All right. There you go. Okay. All right. And that was, you ever hit, how about you guys? But it's like, always the good songs come on when you're warming up. Like, this is too good of a song to waste during a warm-up. But that's okay. I digress. Yes, the music is low because Big Brother's watching. And there's times where they will not upload my video because I don't have copyright necessary to the songs that are playing in the background while we're working out. Isn't that cray-cray? Okay.
It's a whole royalties thing.
Yeah, especially Aretha Franklin. She don't play. But usually just mute it. Yeah, and I would if I knew how to get them. But I'm left-handed, so it doesn't work that way. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Get that strap in there. Let's go with some curls. Go. Good. As fast as you can, as fast as you want. Listen to that small voice in your head. It'll tell you what to do. Sometimes it lies to you, but you're here. Just work hard. Good. Good job. Yes, I would put it on the black band. I just want to see how this goes first. Good. Good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, set that down. And let's squat it out. Again, real easy. Back up. Little ones or big ones. You can do little ones, right? Or you can sit on the chair and come back up. You don't have to have equipment. You can do this. You can do the curls, but let's just squat it out. Good. Squat it out. Sit back.